Should go over that way with it so you have more room. It's freezing out. Jordan wants to play with this thing.
Funny.
Do you like that?
Funny thing.
Jordan with his pants too short and his hair not combed. Let go of the gas. You're doing something. Go.
Let me drive it. Can I go?
Go. 4 years old, and he knows how to work this thing. Although, it doesn't stand up very nicely. It's freezing outside. It's going to snow tonight, like 3 to 6 inches. So it's like 30 degrees. Go. That made him pop a wheelie. You're doing the wrong thing on your handlebars. Alright, one more try. Go ahead. You're making him pop a wheelie though. There he goes. Yeah. He just runs after it. Jordan. Go ahead. Yeah, Jordan, I don't know about that guy. You got to do him over towards Tony's. I'm done.